Alright, hey guys, what's up? So, just got the delivery slip from Canada Post, and I believe the forward controls and stuff are in. So we're gonna go down here pretty quick and we're gonna go pick those up. But for now, just enjoying this beautiful sunny day. Oh my actual goodness. Look at this. It's just gorgeous out. Anyway, yeah, so forward controls have showed up, so those will be in this week's video, and we'll get some of that stuff done. It'll be good to see. I'll hopefully be able to get some brake lines, hopefully maybe made up. I'm not sure if I haven't decided if I'm going to get a master kit or I'm going to get those guys down at Bayview. Custom Cycles maybe to make me up some, or maybe they'll have something that's extended and that'll work for me. So anyway, we'll get that done.
Back in the day, it was a 6-gun and a 6-string. Man, that was country.
So we picked up the box, and it's here. So let's check it out.
It was live not taught, it was earn not bought. Had to put in the work to get
Fort
to the
9.
top, let me tell
So let's go split this thing open.
I think's really gone wrong. These days it's all wanna be singing someone else's song. Everybody's doing the same damn thing. Where have the rebels gone? 'Cause we don't need another pretty boy singing pretty songs. Fake country boys doing country all wrong. We need another Haggard or a Johnny Cash, somebody doing backers and whipping ass. I need a preacher. I need a savior. How about y'all?
Let's come back around on this side so you guys can see this light. So we got the kickstand kit. Receipt. So we got the kickstand kit there, the temp gauge, and the forward controls. This is gonna be good, you guys. Excited. Alright guys, so I've been waiting a while for these forward controls, and I'm pretty excited that these have showed up. So we're gonna put the dipstick in, the temperature probe dipstick, because that's a quick slip. And we're gonna do the kickstand kit, the 1-inch under kickstand kit, and we're gonna start putting forward controls on. So let's get started.
Oh, she sure ain't done it this way.
Okay, so we've got the forward control stuff laid out on the bench, and we are gonna start to pick through it. The installation instructions are absolutely terrible. Installation instructions are basically non-existent. The one that they gave me for is for like a 70s to 80s 4-speed big twin, and not the 5-speed Evo, which we obviously have right there. The 5-speed Evo, which is the bike that we have, not the 4-speed big twin, which is, but the kit's for the same. The kits fit the same, but no installation instructions for my bike. So we're just gonna pick through this and slowly put it together, and you guys are gonna watch.
Need another pretty boy singing them pretty songs. Fake country boys doing country all wrong. We need another Haggard or a Johnny Cash, somebody chewing backer and whipping ass. I need a preacher. I need a savior. How about y'all? And I pray country answers my call. Can I get an outlaw? Oh, can I get an outlaw?
Alright, so this is what we got on so far. We've got the rod, control rod there, the upright piece, that is the frame mount, and the foot peg. So I'm probably going to end up putting
the kickstand on, bolts to those 4 holes there.
Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this week. I got the forward controls 50%-ish on. I got both sides in place, the pegs in place, the levers there. The shift sides, I mean, I guess you could say the shifting side is done. I need to do front and rear brake lines to get the brakes back together. And then we're gonna start looking at, well, signal lights, mirrors, and getting some body work done so we can get the fenders and tank and everything ready to get either A, painted or B, wrapped. We're not sure yet what we're gonna do, so one of the two. But more stuff coming down the line, picking away as we go, right? I mean, we're going into November now, so there's not much use for a bike pick away project. But bear with me and keep watching, guys. It's gonna be sick. I'm super excited to see what this thing turns out to look like. I'm considering hard saddles, like hard saddlebags. I'm torn on the idea. I'd like to have maybe even just to have the set, just to have for road trips and whatever, because they look nice and have them color matched and whatever. But we'll see. I haven't found a pair that I fit properly and that I like, so I don't know. What do you guys think? Comment below. And anyway, like, share, subscribe, you guys, and we'll see you guys next week.